We are here at one of the multifamily properties that we wanted to add to our portfolio. It's an 11 unit property here in Niagara region, and we want to show you what we used to look at whenever we are having a look at multifamily, whenever we are doing any walkthrough. And I want you to come with us, come have a look at this 11 unit with us, and see you inside.
The first part we like to look at is the landscaping. We want to know if the current owner is taking care of the lawn, and then we go into checking the windows. Windows is very important. We want to know how functional it is and if it's still in good condition. And the next thing is we look around where we are walking through what's happening on the wall. Is there any stain that might suggest maybe water or anything? Then if the property has coin laundry, we want to see that as well, because one of the good things is coin laundry can also add to the income of your property. And the next thing, we want to go to the electrical room. We want to see if each unit have their own separate meter. Good thing about this 11 unit, each unit have its own meter. So we want to see, I want to see the electrical panels, and then we look at the heating system as well, the hot water tank. When did they change it? Do we see anything visible that we can know that we're going to spend money when we acquire the property? This is the room you start seeing if you're going to spend more money when you take ownership of the property. Even you have to look at the plumbing from here as well. The other part of the house that we have to see the plumbing, but this is the first place. And then after that, we go into each unit. Good thing about this property is the O11 unit have two bedroom units, so we don't need to go to all the 11 units. We want to see the flooring of the washroom. We try to open the tap and see the water running properly as well, because these are the things we're going to spend money on when we take ownership of the property. And we also go into the other unit to see the kitchen, because as I said, we couldn't go to all the 11 units. We were able to see about 3 units, but it's the same layout. So we look at the condition of the kitchens, each bedroom, what needs to be changed. As I told you, the structure is the same. So what you're seeing here is what is the same structure for all the 11 units. So we try to go into the units as well. And one thing I always try to do is to talk with the tenants as well. We want to know how they feel, what they think about the property. You're going to get a lot of information from your tenants about the property than even the people that are selling it. So this is the balcony of one of the units, and this is me here this is me trying to play golf. Don't worry, I don't know how to play golf anyways. Then the next place is we go out and see the outside of the property. This is very, very important whenever we are doing walkthrough, because we can see there's any crack or any problem on the building. We have to see that from the outside. Here I was asking a lot of questions. When you're doing walkthrough, you have to ask a lot of questions, and you have to make sure you pay attention to the outside of the building very well. So the other part we try to check as well is the parking lot. We want to know, the property is 11 units. We want to know if all the tenants have their own parking, if there's enough parking space for the people living there. The other part that we don't put in this video is checking the roof as well, which we did, but we don't have it in this video. I hope you like the walkthrough. Let me know what you think.